from our project considered to model a guardian enemy from The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild.
The final product included 97 parts and 188 mates. I used mostly lobs, extrude boss, extrude cuts, revolves, surface extrude, surface lobs, thickens, and a few more processes. The head and tentacles of the guardian are made in a sub-assembly to streamline the process. The head sub-assembly is made of 3 unique parts, the main head and eye, and 3 head pieces. The detailing and decals of the main base of the head is done using a 3D sketch that's converted to a curve, then using the circular subsurface and fills to finish it off. The bottom body is similar to the rest of the main body with just an additional curved side. The detailing work is done with the same manner as the head with the subsurface, while the katas for the legs connections are made from an offset plane with an extruded cut and a circular pattern. The leg sub-assembly is made of 3 unique parts, a base, 13 leg pieces, and a claw. Each of the pieces are connected using a ball and socket joint with a limit degree of freedom of 10 degrees to simulate the movement of a mechanical tentacle. A 325 Newton force is applied to the leg piece with a ductile iron material. This resulted in a max displacement of 0.1814 mm, max stress of 683,000 psi, exceeding the yield shrink of 80,000 psi. Overall, this project took me around 30 hours of work. I learned a lot about surfacing and zero tech geometry, and doing this project helped me learn how to create parts much more efficiently. Thank you for watching.